Alright, we got a no cooling call. Customer complaint is that AC is not working and that there was, I guess, a power surge and they already had an electrician out and the AC still is not working. So let's go inside and see what it is. Alright, so went down and had a look at the furnace. And turns out a popped fuse. So I'll just bring the bag down here just in case. And pop a new fuse in. Okay, so thought I would get lucky with just popping in a new fuse, but it turns out something is wrong. I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is let's see, get rid of the condenser here. And see, I should have brought my light down.
I can go get your light if you want.
That's all right.
Sure.
Yeah, I should have brought. I mean, I usually have a headlamp, but.
Daddy. So I just give me. No. I'm asking. So once I'm done doing my stuff, I'm supposed to be doing that. Can I pick up the basement and earth? My service back. Can I?
Okay. So.
Maybe.
It's staying on. Now we unhooked the condenser and now the fuse stays on, so probably a bad contactor outside now. When you're checking the contactor to see if that is what is busting the fuse, first pull your disconnect and make sure that you don't have any power here. Make sure that the the disconnect isn't bypassed. At that point, we pull the two low voltage wires, set our meter to ohms of resistance, and check out the ohms. 14.6. Very interesting, because that is totally normal. So what else could be going on here? Let's go back down to the furnace. The contactor's good. Let's try the thermostat next.
Pat work at all much anymore or not really?
No, not really. He just had surgery a little while ago and he has been out.
Oh really?
Yeah. Been out for a little while. Well, that looks promising. What made me think it was the thermostat was that I pushed the button and there was a little bit of gap of time, and I know that thermostat upstairs takes a couple seconds to click on, like to have the screen load, I guess, or to energize. So let's try the thermostat. Pop the thermostat off the wall and it smells burnt. Okay, so we're coming to put the AC back together because the thermostat is the culprit and you can smell it. Took the thermostat off the wall, and hooked everything back up, put power to the unit, and the fuse stayed fine. So we will give the customer a couple different options as far as thermostats, and let them have their pick. Then we'll install the thermostat and be on our way. Easy as pie. Catch you all on the next one.